Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then please stand up and dance along with me. बच्चों, टीवी के नजदीक आ जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll. Do you all like biscuits? How do they taste? I like biscuits. They are crispy and tasty. Which is your favorite biscuit? My favorite is chocolate biscuit. Where do you buy biscuits from? We buy biscuits from a shop. Where do you think these biscuits are made? These biscuits are made in a factory. Do you know what are the items required to make biscuits? Can you try and guess? Yes, we use sugar, refined flour and other items as well. Would you like to know the recipe, the method of making biscuits? Then come, let me take you to a biscuit factory. Children, please open page number 10 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. We will be reading the lesson Biscuit Factory today. If you have a textbook, please point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. In a biscuit factory. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. First, get a recipe. Recipe means the process of making a dish. To make biscuits, here they have kept all the ingredients, all the items to make biscuits together. Get the ingredients things that go in a biscuit. Here, all the things required to make biscuits are bought and they are being weighed. Decide how much of each to use. Weigh each ingredient. Here, all of them are deciding how much of each ingredient is to be used. Mix the things and make a dough. All the ingredients are being mixed by these two men who are preparing the dough. Here in this machine, they are kneading the dough. In this machine, the dough is being rolled out. Roll out the dough. After the dough has been rolled out, it is cut into the shape of biscuits. Cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. The biscuits are then taken in the oven. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Cool the ready biscuits. Here he is checking if the biscuits are crisp for you to eat. See if the biscuits are done or baked properly. Packing. Pack the biscuits into packets. Here the biscuits are packed into colorful wrappers. Store and sell the packets. The packets are kept on the shelf of the shop, ready for you to come and pick up. Children, we just saw how biscuits are made in a factory. Let's see these pictures once again. Okay. First, we decide the recipe. Recipe is the method of making a dish. Then we decide the ingredients. Ingredients are all the items that are put in a dish to make it. Then we decide the quantity of each ingredient. Here we see all the ingredients and how they are being weighed. After all the ingredients have been brought, they are mixed in a machine. The dough is made and then put into another machine that rolls it out. Here we see the dough has been rolled out and it has been cut into the shape of the biscuit. The biscuits are then baked in an oven and cooled down. Then one person especially checks if your biscuit is crisp and tasty. After that, the biscuits are packed and they are kept on the shelves of the shop, ready for you to pick up. बच्चों, आज के लेसन में हमने पढ़ा किस तरीके से एक फैक्ट्री में बिस्किट बनाई जाती है. Children, let's have a look at the new words we learned today. The first word is biscuits. 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 I love to eat biscuits with tea. Biscuits are very tasty. Second word, crispy. crispy, crispy. Chips are crispy. I like crispy food. Third word, shop, shop, shop. I buy biscuits from the shop. The shop closes at 7 p.m. Fourth word, factory, factory, factory. My father works in a factory. The factory is far away from the city. Fifth word, ingredients, ingredients, ingredients. We have the ingredients to bake a cake. We don't have the ingredients to bake biscuits. Sixth word, recipes, recipes, recipes. My mother writes her recipes. I am learning the recipe to bake a cake. Children, let's do an activity now. You will see some images on your screen. You have to write down in your notebook what you see. Let me show you the first image. What do you see in this image? Yes, they are some juicy mangoes. So you need to write down the same in your notebook. You will see some more images on your screen and you have to write down what you see in the image in your notebook. Ready? Then let's start. The first image is of a string of white flowers. The second image is of a bunch of big bananas. The third image is of a big jar of honey. The fourth image is of a sack of gram flour. Basin is called gram flour. The fifth image is of a pack of liquid soap. The sixth image is of a pair of blue bangles. Children, I hope you had fun doing this activity. Now on your screen, you will see the names of a few items. You have to identify if these items are made in a factory. Please circle all the items that are made in a factory. Okay children, I hope you were able to find out which are the items that are made in a factory. The items that are made in a factory are bread, jam, shoes and shirt. Children, I hope you enjoyed these activities. Now let's move on towards story time. Children, I hope you enjoyed the activities so far. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy while I tell you a wonderful story. Do you like to sleep? I'm sure we all like to sleep and take a little nap whenever we get a chance. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about one such pig who loves to sleep. The name of the story is The Pig with the Runaway Tail, written by Parinita Shetty. This story is about a pig named Poogle. Poogle loves to sleep. ये कहानी है पूगल की, जो एक सुअर है. पूगल को पूरे दिन सोना अच्छा लगता है. पूगल sleeps all day long. Poogle sleeps so much that her own tail got bored with her. पूगल इतना सोती है कि उसकी अपनी पूंछ उससे थक गई. One day, when Poogle gets up from her sleep, she sees that her tail is nowhere to be found. एक दिन जब Poogle दोपहर में सोने के बाद उठती है, तो उसे दिखता है कि उसकी पूंछ ही कहीं नहीं. आइए देखते हैं कि उसकी पूंछ कहाँ गई. Poogle's tail ran away. Poogle looked at herself in the mirror and felt that she looked so silly. She decides to go look for her tail. Poogle अपने आप को आईने में देखते हैं और सोचते हैं कि बिना पूंछ वो बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते. वो अपनी पूंछ को ढूंढने निकल पड़ते हैं. Poogle goes looking for her tail and reaches a forest. She finds the forest so untidy. She slips over a log of wood and धड़ाम falls into a bush. Poogle अपनी पूंछ को ढूंढते ढूंढते एक जंगल आ पहुंचते हैं और जंगल में वो झाड़ियों में गिर पड़ते हैं. In the forest, Poogle meets a langur. The langur tells her, "Why don't you try a mushroom instead of your tail?" Poogle looks at the mushroom and wonders and says, "No, I want my own tail back." Poogle को जंगल में एक लंगूर मिलता है और लंगूर उन्हें कहता है कि अपनी पूंछ के जगह पर एक मशरूम क्यों नहीं लगा देते. Poogle कहती है, नहीं, मुझे अपनी ही पूंछ चाहिए, और अपनी पूंछ की खोज वो जारी रखती है. While looking for her tail, Poogle reaches the city. She finds it much too noisy. She dodges her way between the rickshawalas and makes her way beneath a cycle. अपनी पूंछ की खोज में Poogle शहर आ पहुंचती है. शहर की आवाज से वो बहुत परेशान हो जाती है. In the city, Poogle asks everyone, "Have you seen my tail? Have you seen my tail?" And a crow comes flying and tells Poogle, "Why don't you try a balloon instead of your tail?" Poogle says, "No, I want my own tail back." शहर में Poogle सभी से पूछते हैं, क्या उन्होंने उसकी पूंछ देखी है? एक कौवा आकर Poogle को कहता है कि अपनी पूंछ की जगह एक गुब्बारा क्यों नहीं लगा लेते, और Poogle कहती है, नहीं, मुझे अपनी पूंछ ढूंढनी है. Looking for her tail, Poogle reaches a cave. She tries to walk carefully but tumbles over a pile of rocks. अपनी पूंछ की खोज में पूगल एक गुफा में आ पहुंचती है। गुफा में बहुत ही अंधेरा है। ध्यान से पूगल अपने कदम रखती है, मगर फिर भी वो पत्थरों पर फिसल पड़ती है। In the cave, a bat tells Poogal, "Why don't you try this stalactite tail?" Poogal says, "No, I want my own tail back." गुफा में एक चमगादड़ पूगल से कहते हैं, आप ये स्टैलेक्टाइट पूंछ लगा लीजिए। पूगल कहती है, नहीं, मुझे अपनी ही पूंछ वापस चाहिए। Looking for her tail, Poogal now reaches under the ocean. Over here she says, "Oh, it's much too wet." There are fishes all around Poogal and they want to dance with her. अपनी पूंछ की खोज में पूगल महासागर में आ पहुंचती है। मछलियां उसे घेर लेती है और उसके साथ एक डांस करना चाहती है। In the ocean, Poogal goes around asking everyone, "Have you seen my tail? Have you seen my tail?" A turtle asks Poogal to try a seaweed instead of her tail. Poogal looks at it and says, "No, I want my own tail back." महासागर में एक कछुआ पूगल से कहता है कि आप अपनी पूंछ की जगह एक सीवीड क्यों नहीं लगा लेते। पूगल कहती है, नहीं, मुझे अपनी ही पूंछ वापस चाहिए। Looking for her tail, Poogal now reaches a desert. She tumbles over a sand dune and again looks up and asks, "Has anyone seen my tail?" पूगल अपनी पूंछ की खोज में रेगिस्तान आ पहुंचती है और वही सवाल पूछती है, अगर किसी ने उनकी पूंछ देखी है। In the desert, a camel tells Poogal to try a cactus. Poogal says, "Oh, no, I want my own tail back." रेगिस्तान में ऊंट पूगल से कहता है, तुम एक कैक्टस क्यों नहीं लगा लेती? पूगल कहती है, ओ, कैक्टस नहीं, मुझे अपनी खुद की पूंछ वापस चाहिए। Looking for her tail, Poogal reaches a cold mountain top. She is shivering. She feels too cold. But when she looks down the mountain, she closes her eyes and steps back before she feels too dizzy. अपनी पूंछ की खोज में पूगल एक बर्फीले पहाड़ के ऊपर आ पहुंचती है, जहां उसे बहुत ही ज्यादा ठंड लगती है, मगर पूगल अपनी पूंछ को वहां भी खोजती रहती है। Here, a yak tells Poogal, "Why don't you try a sock tail?" Poogal looks at the sock and says, "No, I want my own tail back." बर्फीले पहाड़ों में एक याक पूगल से कहता है कि तुम पूंछ की जगह एक मोजा क्यों नहीं लगा लेती। पूगल अपनी नई पूंछ को देखकर खुश होती है। Poogal is very happy with her new sock tail. She remembers all the other tails she had tried. She thinks, "I am never going to try the cactus tail again." But all the other tales were so wonderful. Everyone wakes up to the same tale every day, but I can have a new tale every day. पूगल अपनी नई पूंछ के साथ बहुत खुश है। वो सोचती है कि बाकी सबके पास तो एक ही पूंछ है, लेकिन मेरे पास हर रोज एक नई पूंछ हो सकती है। We see in the story that while Poogal's tail runs away for adventure, Poogal goes looking for a tail and has an adventure of her own. Poogal travels to so many places looking for her tail. She goes to the deep forest, to the dark caves, to the city, to the ocean, and to the cold mountains. And finally, Poogal decides to go back home and try on all her different tails. I hope you all liked Poogal's story. Okay children, now it's time to have some fun. We will all be doing an activity together. In this activity, I will inform you of one action and I will also be doing one action. I would like you all to carefully listen and follow the action that I am telling you. Okay, then let's begin with an example. Let's start. Walk, walk, walk. Next action. Dance, dance, dance. Next action. Raise your right leg, raise your right leg, raise your right leg. Okay, now let's do the next action. Jump, jump, jump. How many of you were walking? You were asked to follow. When I say jump, you have to jump. You have to follow what I say and not what I do. Okay, let's do this again. Jump, jump, jump. Next action. Stand still, stand still, stand still. How many of you were jumping along with me? You all need to do as I say and not the action that I do. I hope you all had fun doing this activity. Children, I hope you all had fun today. Please try to read the lesson in a biscuit factory and share with your family members how biscuits are made. Also, try to pick any one wrapper of a biscuit and stick it in your notebook. Okay children, take care, bye-bye and stay safe.